Right. Next one topic is the hydrolysis of ester. This is ester is also derivative of the carboxylic acid. From the carboxylic acid, in that chemical properties, we getting that esters. When carboxylic acid react with the acetyl chloride, when acetyl chloride react with the carboxylic acid, we getting esters. So that is a derivative of ester. Now here that ester involved in the acidic hydrolysis and in the involved in the base hydrolysis. So hydrolysis we know already, adding of water molecule, but in which condition here? In the condition of acid, here hydrolysis in the condition of base. So two types are there, acidic condition and base condition. They are going to the hydrolysis of ester. Right now here this is a very important for the exam purpose and with mechanism also. Right now I go to the first of all hydrolysis of ester in acidic condition. First of all, look at I write the common reaction. Ester C double bond O CH3. This is the ester. Now in that this is the reversible process of reaction. Here, right, I am adding of water molecule in the condition of acidic condition. That's why I'm writing H plus. Here we get the carboxylic acid C double bond OH plus alcohol. So when alcohol and carboxylic acid combine together, we get ester. So alcohol and carboxylic acid, that's why I'm written reversible reaction. Are you understood? Okay. Now this is the reaction, common reaction of hydrolysis of acid hydrolysis of ester. I go for the mechanism, how it is formed. Look at here, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now here is the oxygen contain lone pair of electron. Now here it is in the acidic condition. Yes or no? Yes, acidic condition. Now it's taken by the oxygen. That H plus again taken by the oxygen. Right? C double bond O, H. Here is the positive. S. Now remain O, CH3. Right. Now once again, look at here. These electrons shifting to the oxygen side. Now carbon getting positive. In that water molecule also there. First it is react with the acid, then it is react with the water. Means in that water mixing of acid and water. First you take the H plus ion. Right. Now these lone pair of electron bonding with the carbon. Right. CH3. C here OH, that is OH. This one is the OH. I am write the separate of bonds. Right? Clear. Okay. Now what is there here? Bonding with the water molecule bonding with the carbon now. Yes, bonding with the carbon. Right. Here is the oxygen. I am write the separate one hydrogen. Oxygen getting here is a positive. So now it's give the electron to the oxygen. Now here from water molecule, when it is water molecule bonding with the carbon, now this H plus ion removed. Here H plus ion removed. Now remains what is there here? CH3, C double COH and O CH3. Here is also OH is there. Right now what is going after formation of this, like look at here, these bond electron shifting to the inside. Now this bond electron shifting to that side. So finally what will be formation here? Here CH3O, here is H plus remove there. Already it is eliminated there in that reaction. That H plus minus this H plus, this CH3O are okay, this CH3O and this H plus, no problem. CH3O, this H plus. What it is formation first of all? CH3OH, that is alcohol. This one CH3OH plus. Remaining what is there here? CH3. This one
Double bond O
C double
OH.
bond O OH. So this is the alcohol. Now this is the carboxylic acid. Right. So finally, when in the acidic condition, when it is the acidic condition, esters becomes to the carboxylic acid and alcohol. It's forming carboxylic acid and alcohol. So this is the reaction and mechanism of acid hydrolysis. Okay, write down. Look at here, these all the reactions are reversible reactions. So means reversible reaction means when carboxylic acid and alcohol when combined together, formation of again esters. So that's why I written all that this may have made all these one reactions are reversible reactions. This is a reversible. Alcohols, a carboxylic acid when combined together to formation of ester. Okay, clear? Right. Next one is the basic hydrolysis of esters. So means in the condition of basic condition, no esters involved in the hydrolysis. Look at here. I'm take the ester. This is the ester C double bond O CH3. This is the ester. It's going hydrolysis in the presence of base. When it is going on hydrolysis in the condition of base, it's give the carboxylate ion CO double CH3 C double bond O minus and alcohol. It is give the carboxylate ion and alcohol in the condition of base. But in the condition of acid, formation of carboxylic acid and alcohol. But here in the condition of base, formation of carboxylate ion. What is that? Formation of carboxylate ion. So that is we are different between the acidic condition and base condition. In the acidic condition, there more number of H plus will be there. That's why that CH3CO minus that definitely become to the CH3COOH. But here in the hydroxide groups, base condition now OH minuses are more there, excess number of there. So that's why here formation of carboxylate ion, but that carboxylate ion does not form the carboxylic acid in the base condition. Now in that we get the alcohol only. So we get two molecules, one is a carboxylate ion and one is the alcohol. Now look at, I write the mechanism, how it is get. Right, now see here, CH3, C double bond O, OCH3. In the condition of hydroxide, means that is a base condition, it's getting the positive. Now here, this bond coming to the, the negative of hydroxide bonding in the positive of the carbon. Okay, right, see here, CH3, C, O minus, that is O, CH3, this is the next one, what is that? OH. Here is the OH, this is the minus. Now next step, this electron shifting to the inside, this next one, these bond electrons between the carbon and oxygen bond electron shifting to the oxygen side. Remain what will we get here? CH3, C double bond O, OH, and with CH3, O minus. But here is a methyl oxide, methyl ionic oxide is formation there, negative is there. Now carboxylic acid forming now. This carboxylic acid, the nature is the giving of produce of H plus ions. But here is not there of an H plus ion. Here is the excess amount of excess. Okay, excess amount of hydroxide means base is there. So there in that solution, in the test tube, hydroxides are more there. That's why H plus ions not easily not H plus ions are not available in the test tube. That's why there is not bonding with the oxygen with the H plus ion. Now this carboxylic acid give the H plus ion to that one. So here I am write the hydrogen separately. This bond electron shifting to the oxygen side. Now CH3 C double bond O minus. Now carboxylic nature is the acidic nature. So that's why they release the H plus ion. That H plus ion bonding with the CH3O minus. CH3O minus forming alcohol. This is the CH3 alcohol. So finally we get here alcohols. This is a carboxylate ion. So in the base excess amount of base excess amount which are there here, hydroxides are excess amount there. So that's why there is no available of H plus ions. That's why that not converted to the alcohol. Okay, clear? Right now this is the basic hydrolysis of ester. So when go to the basic hydrolysis in the condition of base, the esters involved in the hydrolysis, the forming of alcohol, and next one carboxylate ion.